dancer of the evening, Atul Ranjan.
Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Field Day. Before we start, we request you that if you're liking Field Day, please do like, share and subscribe. By the way, our credible sources are telling us that people belonging to a certain kind of mindset aren't enjoying Field Day. No, chill. We aren't talking about our show, that proverbial Field Day. Some people these days don't seem to be impressed. I wonder why.
मैं अकेले आई हो क्यों वैसे ही मतलब दोस्त नहीं है या दोस्त भक्त है भक्त है ना अच्छे दोस्त बनाओ
Oh, why did you say that? Why?
दबा दिया आगे बोलो
नहीं दबाना था
The India is not getting intolerant tribe is on a show cancelling its spree these days. एक के बाद एक, it's like Ejaz Patel on steroids. First and foremost, it was Munawwar. His show in Bangalore was called off after the police expressed their inability to provide security. Yes, you heard it right. Karnataka, not UP police. BJP's gateway to the south, Karnataka is showing some ominous signs let's not get into that. At least our show must go on. But certainly, the right-wing ecosystem has established their credentials as seculars. Bina kisi bhedbhav ke, they threw out both the Hindu and the Muslim comedian. This is a big moment of relief. I mean, it should be, but perpetually offended liberals aren't amused at all. They continue to crib about Muslim comic being locked up in the past for the joke he never told and stuff like that. I wonder what Kamra must be having to say after his couch comrades showing more concern for the other and not him.
मोदी जी का प्रॉब्लम है मोदी जी बहुत अच्छे ग्रेट एक्टिंग गाइस
This is not all. Earlier this year, the central government through an ordinance abolished the Film Certificate Appellate Tribunal. Most of the harsh decisions by CBFC on film were overruled by this tribunal due to the good presence of industry veterans. That had reassured constitutional rights under Article 19 to filmmakers to express themselves freely. Now they're expected to approach courts. How many independent filmmakers will have the bandwidth to approach the court and the required patience and free time is a different question. But filmmakers need not get anxious. The prospective guidelines for how to go ahead are here.
दूसरी बात, देश में रहना है तो किसी भी धर्म के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं होना, ये सनातन धर्म के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं चलेगा. कोई भी मत और पंथ अपनी मर्यादा में है, सब रहें, धर्म अपनी मर्यादा में रहता है और अगर धर्म के विरुद्ध, धर्म एक ही है, सनातन धर्म जिसे कहते हैं, और इस धर्म के विरुद्ध अगर किसी ने खिलवाड़ की तो वो स्वीकार नहीं है. कोई भी पिक्चर रिलीज होने के पहले वहां देखी जाएगी, उनको वो एक पूरा कानूनी विधानमंडल बिठाया जाएगा और वो पहले देखेगा और अगर वो उचित है उसकी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ेंगे, पहले ही पिक्चर बनने ही नहीं देंगे अगर ऐसा है, और नहीं तो सेंसर बोर्ड में.
Now those are words of wisdom coming from a method actor. But hey, filmmakers, here's a couple of pretty much predictable things. Sadhvi ji in her capacity of super CBFC is likely to give your film a U certification if it features a multi-talented lady who also calls herself a victim and who can easily switch between a disabled to a dancer, from disabled to a basketeer, from disabled to a kabaddi and God knows what not. However, be mindful of the fact that she is a Sadhvi. No violence in your content. In fact, any provocation or probability of violence you must avoid. For that matter, something as harmless as someone parking his or her scooter near a masjid might not be acceptable. After knowing all this, if you try such a stunt, then remember Munawwar and what I showed you earlier. Moving on. Last week, in a tragic accident, we lost our first Chief of Defence Staff among several other bravehearts. While the country was mourning, most of the TV channels surprisingly showed remarkable restraint. But there's always an odd one out. If TV news was in organic chemistry and anchors forming periodic tables, then Deepak Chaurasia is the hydrogen. This dude is some अपरंपार level का exceptionalism.
बेहतर हो देश के लिए जिन्होंने सब कुछ किया हो, देश के लिए जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी गंवाई हो. मेरे दिमाग से जितनी बार मैं उनसे मिला हूँ, उसका जो सेंटिमेंट है ना, वो मेरे दिमाग से नहीं निकल रहा. जब जनरल बिपिन रावत की बात होती है तो मेरे दिमाग में यही 3-4 चीजें आती हैं. हम सब श्रद्धांजलि देना उनको चाहेंगे, हम सब श्रद्धांजलि उनको देना चाहेंगे, हम उनको हाथ से नमन करना चाहेंगे. मैं अब कह नहीं सकता अपने दर्शकों को उन्होंने जो देश के लिए किया वो क्या किया, समझ नहीं पाएंगे लोग. लेकिन जो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुई, जो एयर स्ट्राइक हुई, जो गलवान में हुआ।
Don't laugh. This is literally like taking news anchoring to a new height. He went way too high though in September 2019 when TV told us कि अब चांद पे भी होगा मोदी मोदी. We sympathize with you, Deepak. It could be that the moon trip which might have disoriented you. Otherwise, देश की बहस देखकर लोग इधर देश को छोड़ देसी की बहस नहीं करते. Now I know none of you are actually sympathizing with DC. But even if you are that one masterpiece who might have been thinking, what if he was actually emotional, then this is for you. These images are from a marriage party of the same day. He doesn't look grieved at all. It's the other way. According to a News Laundry report, News Nation staffs conceded that he was drunk that day, apparently because he was at a marriage party in Bhopal. The reason why the channel still allowed him, as per the report, was due to his shining track record of successfully handling 8 p.m. ka show. Yes, he has been doing a primetime show even after being high. So that means it is nothing new for him. Moving on. These days, a retired justice is seeking justice for himself. Yeah, we too agree. Justice must be done. Even sealed cover भी चलेगा.
लेता हूं, बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है और ये सवाल सीजीआई से नहीं, रंजन गोगोई से है. क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी भ्रष्टाचार है? क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी करप्शन है?
इस सवाल का जवाब मैं इस ढंग से दूंगा. करप्शन is as old as society. Corruption has become a way of life, acceptable way of life. Or judges don't drop from heaven. Does it answer your question?
Partially.
Now that is some material. Interviewer and interviewee are quite candid about corruption in their respective systems. In fact, they seem very much okay with that. By the way, Gogoi gave an interview to our Bangalore boy too, a part of which has landed him in trouble now, as he faces a privilege motion in Parliament.
I was just looking at the data of your record of attendance in the Rajya Sabha.
Wow.
Of a total of about 68 sittings.
Yeah.
Since you joined, you only signed the register on 6 days.
Yeah. Correct. Correct. So you are, yeah.
So I'm saying if the idea was to join to do public service, then why is your attendance record less than 10%?
This is what is wrong. You see, you ignore the fact that for 1 or 2 sessions, I had submitted a letter to the House, the chairman of the House.
All right.
Saying that
Gogoi गजबे आदमी है. I go when I feel like, I don't when I don't feel like. मेरा मन, of course, वो पार्लियामेंट थोड़ी ना है, मेरे बाप की बपौती है.
do you know that up to a particular point of time, the last session, perhaps it was the
Yes? Yes. Yes.
before the winter session,
All right.
session.
Yes.
Now, if you don't know what the session before the winter session is called, then don't worry. I don't judge people heavily. Anyways, my name is Atul Ranjan. That's been my time. You guys have been a wonderful audience. Thank you.